In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison of the Samsung HW-Q800H 5.1.2ch Soundbar to see how it stacks up against other premium audio setups. When looking at this model, the contrast between standard audio and its immersive 5.1.2 channel configuration is immediate. While entry-level bars often struggle with spatial depth, the Q800H utilizes specialized up-firing speakers to deliver a true wireless Dolby Atmos experience that creates a noticeable vertical soundstage. One major trade-off to consider is the size. With the bar measuring over 1100 mm wide, it requires a significant amount of console space compared to more compact units. However, the standout feature here is Q Symphony, which allows the soundbar and your TV speakers to work in unison, rather than one replacing the other. The inclusion of SpaceFit Sound Pro also offers a huge advantage for difficult room layouts, as it uses AI to analyze your specific environment and calibrate the output accordingly. With an impressive 4.8 rating from users, this system is a clear winner for sports fans and cinema enthusiasts who want a theater-like feel without the clutter of rear-wired speakers. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you think Q Symphony is a game changer for your home setup. Thanks for watching.